Why is my Wi-Fi so slow? Common causes and how to fix them. Is your Wi-Fi painfully slow, constantly buffering, or randomly disconnecting? Before you blame your internet provider, there are a few common problems you can fix yourself. Before diving deeper, try these quick fixes. They solve most issues right away. Quick fixes for slow Wi-Fi. Try these quick fixes first. Restart your router. Move closer to the router. Disconnect unused devices. Switch to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. These simple steps fix a surprising number of slow Wi-Fi problems. If the issue requires more attention, your Wi-Fi might not actually be slow. Your setup could be the problem. Why Wi-Fi slows down. Wi-Fi slows down for a few common reasons. Weak signal strength, network congestion, too many connected devices, interference from walls or electronics, old routers or outdated equipment. Distance, interference, and congestion are some of the most common causes of slow Wi-Fi performance. Examples of slow Wi-Fi. To put things into perspective, here are some examples of slow Wi-Fi. Example: streaming keeps buffering. Caused by too many devices, maybe using bandwidth at the same time. Example: gaming feels laggy at night. Caused by network congestion is often worse during busy evening hours. Example: one room has terrible Wi-Fi. Caused by walls, floors, and distance that weaken the signal. Example: video calls freeze or stutter. Caused by your router, it may be overloaded or too far away. If the quick fixes didn't work, or you want to dive in deeper, let's take a look at how you can troubleshoot the issue. How to fix slow Wi-Fi. Follow these steps to fix slow Wi-Fi. Step 1. Restart your router. Restarting the router clears temporary issues and refreshes your connection. Step 2. Move closer to the router. The farther you are, the weaker the signal becomes. Wi-Fi signal strength decreases with distance and obstacles. Step 3. Switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. 5 GHz is faster but shorter range. 2.4 GHz reaches farther but may be slower. Switching between the two could improve your Wi-Fi speed. Step 4. Disconnect unused devices. Too many active devices can slow the network down. This is true, especially if your plan limits the number of simultaneously connected devices. Step 5. Improve router placement. Keep the router elevated and away from walls, TVs, and microwaves. Electronics and physical barriers can interfere with Wi-Fi signals. Step 6. Update or replace your router. Older routers may struggle with newer devices and higher speeds. To find out if your router is an older model, contact your internet service provider. Step 7. Check your internet plan. If everyone in your home streams or games, your current speed may not be enough. To find out if you have the right internet plan, contact your internet service provider. Best practices to improve Wi-Fi speed. To keep your Wi-Fi running smoothly, restart your router occasionally. Keep devices updated. Place the router centrally. Remove unused connected devices. Each habit helps keep your Wi-Fi speed stable. Quick recap. To fix slow Wi-Fi, restart the router. Move closer. Switch Wi-Fi bands. Reduce network congestion. Improve router placement, RUGs. Common mistake. One common mistake that slows down Wi-Fi is placing the router in a hidden corner or behind furniture. Routers work best in open, central locations. You can also check out the full step-by-step guide linked below for more detailed fixes. And if this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple tech help. SimpleTech help. Tech made simple.